Why Georgia? Because it's that magical corner of the world where Europe meets Asia, where colors, cultures, and history blend like a beautiful painting. From Tbilisi's old town lanes, wooden balconies, cobbled streets, to the grand Caucasus mountains standing like the guardians of the sky, Georgia instantly steals your heart. It's a land of ancient monasteries and fortresses, each whispering a story, a place where sulfur baths have healed travelers for centuries, and where the Mother of Georgia stands tall, welcoming everyone with the strength and grace. The food, khachapuri, king kali, and the flavors that dance on your taste buds. The people, warm, friendly, and full of hospitality that feels like home. The landscapes, blue lakes, vineyards, valleys, and endless scenic beauty. Georgia is that rare blend of history, nature, adventure, and culture, all wrapped into one unforgettable journey. And today, my dream begins. Welcome to Georgia. Let's explore this beautiful land together. Georgian and Russian. It was during the Puja vacation, and my heart was full of dreams. For the first time ever, I was finally going to step into Europe. I had traveled to many countries before, but this one felt different. This was special, this was mine. Being a simple teacher, this journey felt like a dream unfolding right in front of me. We boarded our domestic flight from Kolkata to Delhi, and with every passing minute, my excitement kept rising. The moment the aircraft lifted off, I whispered to myself, "Europe, I'm finally coming." After landing in Delhi, the real international flight began. Immigration, security, boarding passes, everything felt so official, so thrilling. My hands were literally trembling with excitement. Once we dropped our luggage, cleared immigration, and then stepped towards the international gates. Delhi to Sharjah flight. Oh, what a magical flight that was! It was an early morning flight, and as the plane rose above the clouds, the sunrise painted the entire sky in gold. I just sat silently watching the horizon glow. It felt like the universe was welcoming me to a new chapter. It was 3 hours 15 minutes flight to Sharjah from Delhi. A quick freshen up and we walked towards the bright corridors of the airport. One flight done. One step closer to Europe. You are from? Japan. Oh wow, Japan. Which part of Japan? Tokyo. Tokyo. And you're studying in university? And you're coming to Georgia for? Traveling. Meeting friends. Yes, okay. So nice meeting you. As the aircraft soared again, my heart kept beating faster and faster. Every cloud we crossed felt like the journey of my dreams coming alive. After 3 hours of travel, wonder, and excitement, we landed in Tbilisi, my first step on European soil. What a moment! What a feeling! It was nothing short of pure magic. This entire trip became possible only because of my childhood friend Shudipta, who invited me to be her travel partner. An unexpected gift I will cherish forever. The first important thing to be done in a foreign country is buy a local SIM. And of course, the currency. I had taken with me the USD dollar, which I exchanged in the airport. The Georgian currency is lari, Lari. 1 lari equals to 32 INR on that particular day.
इसी यहाँ पे हम लोग इस एयरपोर्ट पे आए हैं। सो अभी यहाँ से हम लोग जो है अपने रेस्टोरेंट की तरफ हम लोग प्रोसीड कर रहे हैं। To tell you, welcome to Georgia, and I am very happy that we meet each other. I hope you will like my country and you will like all of the days and all of the minutes.
In the next vlog, you will watch the Georgian Orthodox Church, the winery, Georgian lunch, the Great Wall of Georgia, and many more. Keep hooked up to my channel for such interesting vlogs. Keep watching Ethereal by Suparna.